Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mother.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. I have my Afro meter on and the curls are telling me that there's a storm a-brewing in Austin, and after almost 90 days of no rain, this is a welcome release. Mother Nature builds up just like we do with so much pressures, and we need to find a healthy way to release those pressures. So I thought today would be a perfect practice in honor of rain, hopefully, that we can do some breath work and some movement to release the pressures that we have on a daily basis. So let's start on hands and knees. We'll spread the fingertips out nice and wide. And we're going to do a breath. It's called lion's breath. You make a funny face. Don't worry about it. I can't see you and you can't see me, so don't worry about that. What we're going to do is a full, open, wide mouth, tongue out like a lion's roar. I'm going to face you for a second. It looks like this. So it's a deep inhale through the nose, deep exhale through the mouth, wide jaw, open tongue. Really let the tongue hang out. We hold a lot of tension in our jaw, in our shoulders, in our hips, and so this is one way to release that. So let's bring the hands underneath the shoulders, spread the fingertips out nice and wide. Good. Close the eyes, lift the head, take a deep inhale through the nose. Lion's breath. Inhale. Continue on your own. Nice wide jaw. Big tongue out. Sound. Last breath. Good job. Relax the neck. Shake the head out. No and yes. Good. Curl the toes under. Hover the knees maybe an inch or so off the mat. Push into the hands down and forward. Lift the hips up towards the sky. Knees are bent still. You can separate the feet from right to left. Push down and forward. Allow your chest to fall towards your thighs. Look in between the legs. And then from here, with the hips lifted, drop the heels towards the earth. Feel the length in the back of the legs. Pushing down and forward with the hands, maybe drop the chest towards the legs a little bit more. Good. Roll the upper arms wide. Create space in between the shoulder blades. And then we're just going to shift our weight from right to left a little bit. You can pause in any posture that feels good for your body today. Keep the elbows soft, just pedaling the feet out, relaxing the head. And once you feel satisfied, coming back to center, push down and forward, again looking in between the legs. And then shift our gaze in between the hands. Lift the right leg up, sweep that leg all the way through to a lunge. It may not get there in one step, so you can just scoot it on up. If you need blocks under your hands, please do so. Let's plant the foot, spiral up, warrior two. Good. So we're here in a centered position. Oftentimes in warrior two, we feel our bodies leaning forward, and what you want to do is feel like someone's pulling on your fingertips. Draw your center back. Flip the palms open. Good. Stay here. Draw the thumbs back. Open up the chest. And then notice your weight. So your weight is straight down the middle. You're pushing down and forward with that front foot. Lots of energy out the back heel. Palms are open. We're going to stay here for several breaths. We'll inhale. Look up towards the palms. If they reach together, great. Exhale down. It's a big inhale through the nose. A big exhale through the mouth. Two more. And pause. Good. Just releasing that valve, that tension within the body. Reverse warrior. Open up the side body. Take a deep breath into the ribs. Expand. Spiral down. Look down at the foot. Lift the back heel. Plant the hand. Step the front foot to meet the back. Good. Roll the shoulders back and down away from the ears. Draw your belly in and up. We're going to drop the knees down and up several times. Good. And up. Nice. Inhale, exhale. Good. Really connect with the breath. Inhale. Nice wide mouth. One more. All the way down onto the knees. Elbows point back. Slowly lower the body down. Good. Fingertips off the mat. Elbows up. Tuck the chin. Round up like a cat. Push into the fingertips. Roll the shoulders back. Head lifts up last. Good. Stay here. We're going to go back to that lion's breath. So close the eyes. Gaze up towards the third eye. Inhale, big through the nose. Exhale, big through the mouth. And slowly lower down. Be careful if you're outside. I just sucked in a bug. Push back to hands and knees and all the way back to down dog. Relax the back of the neck. Good. Inhale. Left leg lifts. Sweep that leg all the way through to a lunge. Good. Plant that back foot. Spiral up. Warrior two. My back is facing you, but we're going to be doing the same thing. Palms flip open. Draw the thumbs back. Good. Inhale. Gaze up towards the hands. Palms up. Exhale down. Big mouth. Inhale. One more. Good. Let's reverse warrior. Look back. Take a deep breath. Open up the side ribs. Exhale, spiral down. Lift the heel into a lunge. Plant both hands. Good. Let's drop the knees down and up. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale. Drop the knees down, point the elbows back, slowly lower all the way down. Fingertips off the mat, elbows point up, press the pelvis in the mat, curl up like a cat, lift the head up last. Stay here, back to that lion's breath. Close the eyes, gazing up towards the third eye. Inhale, big tongue. Slowly lower all the way down. Plant the hands. Push back to hands and knees and to down dog. Relax the back of the neck. Push down and forward. Lift the hips. Good. Walk the feet up to meet the hands into a forward fold. Exhale. Relax the back of the neck. Just shake your head out. Yes and no. Good. Grab opposite elbows. Feel very heavy, like you're releasing the weight of the world towards the earth, and the earth is fully supporting you. Look in between the hands. Release the back of the neck. Again, shake the head out. Good. Shift your weight from side to side, opening up the hips and hamstrings. And relax the hands all the way down. Push into the feet. Let's curl up one vertebrae at a time. Head comes up last. Roll the shoulders back. Nice. Oh, mama, here comes the rain. It's drizzling on me right now. Thank you so much. We need it. Inhale, arms up. Let's just give thanks right here for a moment. Exhale, hands to heart center. Gently close the eyes for a moment. Good. And just notice where your body and mind are at right now. Scan your body, notice if you're feeling any tension. Good, and then slowly take it down onto the floor. We'll come to seated right at the lower third of the mat. Grab onto the backs of the legs and slowly lower all the way down. Relax your head. Tuck the knees into the chest, and we're going to come into a fetal position. So both knees come to the left. And then stay here. The chest is lifted towards the sky. Notice your top knee. Oftentimes we have a release valve in the hips when the twist is too intense. What I'd like for you to do is not worry so much about that right shoulder coming off the mat. Notice your right knee and draw it more forward so it's stacked, one on top of the other. If you need to bring it up towards your belly a little bit more, please do so. And then we'll open up the palms. You can face the head up towards the sky. Good, just soften the body. So twists are an excellent way to release tension. We're literally wringing out our organs, our muscles, and just allowing for space, for softness. And then when we undo the twist, fresh blood, fresh oxygen spins through the body, rejuvenating us, letting go of anything that doesn't serve us anymore, and filling our bodies with chi, prana, energy. Good. Relax the muscles of the face. With every breath, noticing your right side sinking more towards the earth. Good. One more deep inhale here. Exhale, bring your right hand over the body. We're just going to stack the hands and then roll onto our back, plant the feet, center the hips. Oh, the rain's really coming down now, you guys. I'm so glad to share this with you. 3 months of not a drop of rain, and this is so blissful. Inhale here, knees up. Let's roll both knees over to the right side this time. Stack the left knee on top of the right. Don't worry about that left shoulder. And then just palms face up. Good. If you can envision just a sprinkle of rain, Mother Nature releasing all that pressure and buildup. Cleansing us of things that don't serve us anymore. Washing away any stress or pressure that we have within ourselves or our environment. Just a few more breaths here. Feeling that left side very heavy, falling more towards the earth. Just that sprinkle on your face, surrendering, just letting go. And then let's bring on an exhale the left arm over towards the body. And then roll back onto our backs. Lift the hips, center everything, lengthen the legs down below. Palms face up, arms are along your side, away from the body. And we'll just gently close the eyes. Scanning from the head to the toes, just allowing for the relaxation, the release of the muscles, the bones, the skin, just everything surrendering. And just a few more breaths like this. I could stay out here all day. This is fabulous. Good. Let's hug the knees into the chest, waking up from Shavasana. Roll over to one side. Make our way all the way up to seated. And we're going to finish this practice with a little bit of breath work again. The breath is an excellent way to have a release valve. So we naturally do it when we're stressed out. we sigh. And so what we're going to do is purposefully breathe that way so that we can release any tension, any buildup within the body. So you can rest your hands on your knees. We'll take a deep inhale to the top of the breath. We're going to hold, and then a huge exhale out the mouth. Really wide mouth. I want to see those tonsils, okay? Close the eyes. Let's start to invite the breath in a little bit more fully. All the way to the top of the breath. And then exhaling. Good. Deep breath in. Hold, big exhale. Deep breath in. Hold, exhale. Inhale. Hold, exhale. Inhale. Hold, exhale. Last one, deep breath. Hold, biggest exhale. Find your natural breath, entering and leaving the nose. And let's bring the hands to heart center. Bow the mind to the heart. And thank yourself for using the tools that Mother Nature, your body provide to release that buildup, that pressure that we hold, that we carry in a healthy way through breath, through movement, through mindfulness. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Thank you, Mother Nature. It's raining. I'm so excited. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mother. See you next time. Yahoo!